In the heart of the jungle, Leo the lion, a charismatic figure, stands ready with a microphone. The jungle clearing buzzes with excitement as animals gather, their anticipation palpable. Leo the lion roars into the microphone, his voice booming. Welcome, welcome, one and all, to the first ever Jungle Roar Contest. The elephant trumpets loudly, shaking the jungle. Nearby, a parrot mimics the elephant's trumpet. Leo exclaims, "Wow! Elephants can create sounds up to 125 decibels." Leo says, "Parrots are nature's best mimics, capable of copying almost any sound they hear." The monkey swings dramatically, its musical scream filling the jungle. A tiny mouse approaches the microphone, its squeak about to shatter the jungles. Peace! Unaware of the hidden amplifier, the mouse lets out a squeak, unleashing a deafening sound. Leo laughs heartily, then turns to the camera, mischief sparkling in his eyes. Big sound doesn't need a big body. Even the smallest among us can make a big impact. The jungle pulses with vibrant energy as the animals erupt in joyous cheers, celebrating the mouse's unexpected triumph. A riot of color and movement ensues as the animals spontaneously erupt into an impromptu dance party, united in celebration.